Hey there. If you've been wanting to make a swaddle blanket, it's really easy to do, and I would recommend using double cotton gauze or muslin because it's super soft and stretchy. To do this project, you're going to need 1.25 yards of double cotton gauze, pre-washed, a measuring tape, scissors, an iron and an ironing board, and a sewing machine and matching thread. Step 1. Measure and cut your fabric. Step 2. Fold your edges of your fabric over twice, then press. Do this all the way around, overlapping your corners. Step 3. Sew your edges using a straight stitch, and I use a length of 2 with a 1/2 inch seam. Don't forget to backstitch around your corners. When you're done, trim your threads, and that's it, you're done. Enjoy your new blanket.